welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Summer Maphumulo and I am so excited about today's video. Well, I am buzzing with excitement. So what's gonna be happening today is I'm going to be just making some meals for you guys, if you want to switch it up a little bit, if you don't want to do the shake, so I just want to make sure that everybody can gain weight in the right places. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for watching my videos. Do the right thing, like this video, comment down below, tell me if you're going to try this, and do the most important thing, man. You know what it is. Subscribe to my channel. And if this is not your first time here, thank you so much for your love and your support. Like, I want to hug you. Like, I want to just thank you. Like, ooh, I'm so excited. So let's get this video started. Guys, another thing that's super exciting that I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be doing a compilation of all your before and after pictures. So if you have before and after pictures, please do the right thing and send them through to my email address, summermaphumulo@gmail.com. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make a part 1 and a part 2. And another thing I'm so excited about is that I'm going to be doing a Q&A. Like, literally every day I get more than 100 questions about my shake, about my videos. So I'm going to be answering all your questions. So after this video, I'm going to be doing a Q&A for you guys, and so you need to look out for that. I am super excited. So what you guys need for today's video or for today's meal, you're just gonna need your brown bread. It's actually low GI, whole wheat. It's brown bread. It's high in dietary fiber. You can't use white bread because this one is actually healthy, so that's why I prefer using it. And then you're going to need your avocado. I'm actually boiling some eggs, and obviously you're going to need your bowl. So let's get this video started. Now what I'm basically doing is just putting the avocado into the bowl, and I'm going to use 1 full avocado. So this is half. I'm going to cut the other half, and the other one I'm just going to leave it for the next meal preparation that I'm going to be doing in this video. Okay, so you don't really have to make the avocado fine or blend it out. You can just leave it like that. It's not really a big deal. It just totally depends on how you want to do it and how you want to eat it. Okay, so yeah. So you guys, another important thing is that the day before you're going to use your avocados, just leave them outside the fridge so that they can be soft, because right now you see what's going on because they were in the fridge. Okay, so do the right thing. Guys, please excuse my nails. I had long nails and then they started hurting, so now I'm just trying to take them out. So that's why I had to cut them like that. So just to pay attention to the food, honey. Pay attention to the avocado. Pay attention to the egg. Pay attention. Just not my nails, okay? Thank you. So now I'm just adding on some boiled eggs. I don't really like well-boiled eggs, so I just prefer to boil them just a little bit so they can be juicy and they taste so much better. And so now I'm just cutting everything and then I'm going to put it on top. I'm almost done. As you can see, it actually looks so yummy. This is a meal that you can enjoy. You can make it as a salad as well if you like. Or you can just have it as it is, depending on how much you actually want to eat. It totally depends on you. It looks really good. And now I'm adding on some dry pepper just to make it a bit spicy, just to add a little bit of more taste, because I really don't like adding salt. Okay, so guys, now I'm done with this. It looks pretty good and it tastes amazing, so I'm going to be tasting it. So now I'm moving on to my second preparation with the bread and some avocado and some eggs again. So let's get that started. So I've actually fried the eggs. You can use olive oil or you can use canola oil because it's healthy. And well, excuse how it looks, okay? I'm not the best fryer, okay? I'm not the, yeah, whatever. So you just need 2 slices of bread. Remember, I told you it has to be whole wheat. If you want to have if you want to use the whole wheat with seeds, you can use that as well. It's not a problem as long as it's brown and it's healthy. That's good. So you just put your avocado on your bread, and then after that you put some eggs. I actually feel like this is good for breakfast if you want to just have something light, something simple, but it's also going to keep you full for a while. And of course, it's going to help you gain weight in all the right places because you have avocado. So that's good. It actually looks good. You guys, don't forget to comment down below. Tell me if you're going to try this, if you have tried it. Okay, so you guys, now I am done with this. As you can see, it looks great, okay, and it tastes good. So now I've got this meal over here, and then now I've got this. So one last thing that I want to do for you guys is something that you can actually eat when you are just having a snack, you know, or if it's normally I eat this when it's my cheat day, where I'm literally just eating whatever I want. And I usually have cheat days on Sundays because, you know, you work hard from Monday to Friday, sometimes Saturday, and you're trying to stick to your diet. And then when it comes to Sunday, you just want to relax, you just want to be, you know, eat whatever you want. So the next preparation I'm going to do right now is exactly that meal where you eat on your cheat days because you're just relaxing and you just want to enjoy yourself. Okay, so let's get this started. So you guys, for this, basically you don't need a lot. It's just your avocado and some Doritos. This is great if I'm just watching a movie on a Sunday and I'm relaxing, you know. It's literally just those snacks where you are having a cheat meal or a cheat snack, but it's still a bit healthy, you know what I'm saying? So that's great. And you still have your avocado, you're still gaining weight in all the right places, you know. So it looks good. Tell me if you're gonna try this, let me know. Okay, so you guys, now it's time for my favorite part, and you know that I want to taste all the food that I make, honey. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with this. This is literally just a meal you can have as lunch, you know. It's healthy, eggs are good for you, avocado will help you gain weight in all the right places. So now I'm just going to go ahead and taste. And as you know, I'll give you my honest opinion, okay? So I promise you this actually tastes really good. So let me just go for a second bite. Okay, this is great for lunch, you know. And then here you can actually have this for breakfast if you like. 2 slices of bread, it's not much, but then again it has the avocado, so the avocado is great for you if you want to gain weight in all the right places, you know, in a healthy way. So let's see. Okay, it tastes really good. It tastes good actually. So okay, now moving on to my snack. This is just basically on your cheat days if you want to have some Doritos, but you also just want to have something healthy, you know. So you can literally just go like that and you eat it. I'm sure some of y'all have done this before, or it's good.
You guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.